Okay, in this video we're going to find the answer of this series, which is an infinite series, which want to find out if each this one diverges or converges. Okay, so the first thing that we have to know is this thing we have to think to present in this way. Okay, so the answer of this one when the number its limit is going to be n. So what we are going to find is what about the limit when n tend to infinity. So it's going to be a minus a r elevated to n plus 1 over 1 minus r. So minus r. So we're going just to rearrange this series in order to express like this one. So once we have this, we just replace and we find the case. So first, what we have to do, we need to rearrange the term. So here, this n minus 1, it's like elevated either 1 and 3 as well. So we have this one, and we just split into the numerator and denominator. So here 1 elevated to any number is 1. And this 3 we can express like 3 elevated to m times 3 elevated to minus 1. Once we have this one, we know that this is like elevated to a negative term, so automatically it can pass on the numerator. So I can multiply, and I have this one. If you notice, this is almost the same. Why? Because we already have 6 and we already have r, which is 1 over 3. Okay, we already have both terms, so we can say that a is 6, a6 again, r is 1 over 3 elevated to n plus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3. So in this case, if you notice, the 3 is going to be elevated to n plus 1. So when n is large enough, this value is going to tend to 0. At times 6 is going to be 0. So now we have this value. This 6 we can apparently put like over 1, and this is going to be 3 times 1 is going to be 3 minus 1 over 3. So I can multiply in this way. The insiders are going to be in the denominator, and the other ones are going to be in the numerator. So we have 18 over 2, so it's going to be 9. So this series tends to 9, but take care, because remember that here we are starting from 0, but our exercises start from 1. Okay, so in this way we have to subtract this series evaluated in 0. So it's going to be this one. I'm here again. Okay, or I can take this one as well, but doesn't matter. So I'll take the original one. It's going to be 0. So it's going to be 2 times 1 over 0 minus 1 is going to be minus 0, and 3 over minus 1 is going to be it's going to be 3 in the numerator. Okay, so it's going to be 3. I'm going to put to the numerator because of the exponent, which is negative. It will be 3 times 2 is going to be 6. So now we have this one. Okay, from n we have this one. So the point here, sorry, I did here a little bit mistake, because this one is 0. Okay, n equal to 0, because I just find this one. 9 is when the series is equal to start from 0. So in this sense we have this one, this series tend to 9, and this value evaluated just from 0 to 0, so it means 0 is going to be 6. So this all series tends to 3. Okay, I hope it has worked. Great success with mathematics. See you in the next video. Bye bye.